The next data transformation that can be found on the data tab is the remove duplicates operation. I usually use it as some kind of additional operation on the current table or data source that I copy into a different place, like I'm doing it right now. And then based on the column, you can remove the duplicates to check whether there are names with the duplicates. You will get also the message with the summary of this operation. If your data is stored in separate columns or somewhere in rows, you need to create just one single data source for this operation. So we need to copy part of the data, then copy the other part of the data, and then by having just one column, you can remove the duplicates based on this column, and the first element on the list will remain. In the third scenario, salesperson 1 has the priority over salesperson 2. So if we create a single table with both of the orders of the salespeople, we can then create the remove duplicates operation, but this time we can omit one of the columns, which is called margin. That is how margin of the first salesperson will be applied over the second salesperson. In the last scenario, both of the margins should remain, no matter what salesperson did the sales. So in our case, we'll create a table, and then when we hit remove duplicates, we keep order ID and margin unchanged. That is how Excel creates an invisible column with the combination of both of them and checks whether there are duplicates or not. And probably there are still some left duplicates in here, and you can easily find them by applying a conditional formatting by highlighting duplicate values. And you will see that we still have some duplicates in here because there are orders with different margins coming from different salespeople.